Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's keep up with our euro currency analysis. So our yesterday tactic short-term suggestion that market probably should drop a bit more to the 110.80, 111 area is done. So indeed euro currency has dropped, and now we stand at such a moment where probably medium-term destiny should be decided on euro currency, because the final last 618 support is the moment where the retracement could stop to be retracement, starts to become the new bear swing to the downside. And if market, for example, will break it down, well, theoretically it could stop at 110 area at the lows, but erasing of the whole rally that we see here, making the decision on this high wave, significant drop here to the downside, erasing this rally. So this keeps not much room for bullish reversal again. And this is important moment currently on the euro. If you'll take a look on the intraday charts, on longer term charts, on the weekly chart, the overall picture there also doesn't look really very encouraging for a bull. So this week downside action is significant. So it doesn't erase yet the pattern that we have on the weekly chart, but retracement is rather deep, and here we should be careful with any possible long position taken. On the 4 hour, on the dollar index, the bread and butter trade that we have talked about finally is completed. So you can see market has completed this A, B, C bottom XOP target right at the 618 resistance. So we stand at the agreement resistance on the dollar, and that suggests that maybe some minor pullback here is possible. So currently, I would not consider some longer term position taken. So maybe some tactical response on this target is possible, but now taking a bet on the possible real bullish reversal and upward, upward on the euro currency. Here is downward rally. It's a bit too optimistic decision in the current moment. The reason why I think so, because if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, 4-hour time frame chart, guys, actually here we have the same pattern, of course. Market stands at the 618 support, and XOP has not quite reached yet, but probably it will happen within a few hours. We have the XOP at the 618 support, but take a look at the way how market has achieved it. So take a look, this significant sell-off has followed, flat action. No deep retracements. Just flat standing, sideways action, collapse again. Minor retracement, 30%, very short. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row. Collapse again. So we have the actual acceleration right to the XOP. So this is directional, strong action. And that keeps me from any suggestion of the possible real bullish reversal, despite that we have here regardless 2+2 buy pattern. The one thing that we could suggest here, since we have the agreement, we have the bullish pattern, we could consider probably 30% retracement here of this leg as the minimal target of the regardless 2+2 buy. Also on the dollar index, probably we could get the same reaction. So maybe 30% pullback here is possible. That's at least the target that we could consider right now. Let's take the conservative approach here and will not be focused on some extended upward action. Let's focus first on the real targets that could be achieved, maybe even today, because today is Friday. Well, hardly today will get any significant activity on the market. So on the levels, we could keep an eye probably on this 1150 destination point. That will be the target. It's approximately 30% of the whole downward action, and it will be also the confidence resistance. The upward action could be triggered by the butterflies. Minor butterflies forming, it is possible because, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame chart, the XOP target has not been hit yet. It's minor space between the lows of this candle and the XOP target. So market could finalize it by the final spike here to the downside, complete the butterfly, and then starting the upper direction. So that's what we have currently on the euro. I think that's better currently just to keep an eye on them. Short-term perspective, and don't be focused on some strategical tasks. So because it's absolutely unclear what will happen, especially on the monthly, on the weekly chart. And also, guys, I ask you to comment the video on the forum, because now we have the issue that some people tells that it's too silent. It's not enough loud volume in the video. So please share with others how your sound on the videos. It's okay, or it should be louder. Because on my computer everything's perfect, so I don't have any problems. So that's all currently on euro currency. Let's see on this tactical step, and let's hope that on the next week we will get some more clarity on the perspective of the euro.